Well, the Trump administration is locked in a new legal battle with a federal judge.
This time over a weekend deportation flight sending Venezuelan migrants to prison in El Salvador, despite a judicial order to turn those planes around. NBC's Garrett Hake is in Washington.
Overnight, President Trump defending his administration's controversial deportations of some 300 alleged Venezuelan gang members, not back to their home country, but to a mega prison in El Salvador.
These were bad people. That was a bad group of, as I say, hombres.
The president of El Salvador posting this video on X of the deportation flights arriving and prisoners taken into custody, having their heads shaved. The White House claiming authority for the deportations under the Alien Enemies Act of 1798, a statute last invoked during World War II. A federal judge immediately blocked the president's proclamation and ordered any planes to return to the U.S. immediately, but they did not. The White House quickly appealing the judge's order, claiming in a statement Sunday that it had, quote, no lawful basis and was issued after the planes had left U.S. territory. The president responding to critiques about using the wartime power.
This is a time of war. They invaded our country. So this isn't, in that sense, this is war.
It comes as President Trump continues to tout his tariff-based economic moves, saying they'll ultimately lead to a booming economy, despite last week's stock market sell-off. Asked overnight if this is his economy now.
Certain things are. Certainly tariffs are, which we've already taken in billions of dollars.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent insisting on Meet the Press that the recent market volatility is an adjustment to the president's policies, not a sign of a coming recession. But asked if he can guarantee there won't be a recession, Bessent saying, quote, there are no guarantees.
We are resetting and we are putting things on a sustainable path.
And while the president spent the weekend largely out of sight at his Mar-a-Lago resort, on Saturday the White House posted these photos showing Trump appearing to view video of airstrikes he ordered against Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen, who've been targeting U.S. and international shipping. Houthi officials say the strikes killed 53 people.